What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to unlock the new Samsung Galaxy S10. I'm going to show you how to unlock it step by step, and this is going to be a carrier unlock. So we're going to do a factory carrier unlock to unlock the network of this phone, and then we will be able to use it with any carrier in any country. So if we fly to any country, just go ahead, insert a SIM card, and you will be good to go. Okay, so this is a network unlock. If you want to see a passcode unlock, that's going to be a different video. Today we're going to talk about the factory network unlock. Alright, so to start, before we start, I have to mention that unfortunately, if your phone is reported as lost or stolen, this method will not work. Okay, so your phone has to be in good standing. It doesn't matter if you're under contract or if you haven't paid your contract fully, it doesn't really matter. You will be able to unlock your phone using a computer, your cell phone, and a SIM card. That's all you need to unlock this phone, and we're gonna do it together step by step. Now, the second thing that I have to mention is that this is a paid service, so we will have to pay to unlock this Samsung Galaxy S10, but it's worth every penny to have a fully factory unlocked phone. Okay, so after you unlock your phone, it will be compatible with any carrier in any country. So with that said, let's begin. So the first step is to get your phone's IMEI number. To do that, simply open the dial pad and dial *#06#. As you will see, your 15-digit code or your 15-digit IMEI number will appear in the screen of your phone. We will use only the first 15 digits, alright? So ignore the last two. We're gonna use this number in a few seconds, so keep it somewhere close. For now, we're gonna switch to the computer because the rest of the process takes place in the computer. Alright, now we're gonna go to the website unlockpanda.com. In this website, we will request the unlock code to unlock this Samsung Galaxy S10. So first, we're gonna select the carrier. In this case, my phone is locked to AT&T from the United States. Then I'm gonna select the brand. We're gonna select Samsung, and then we'll select the model. For this, in this case, I'm gonna be unlocking a Samsung Galaxy S10, but this will work for the 10s, for the Samsung Galaxy S10, 10 Plus, or 10e, or any other Samsung Galaxy. There are different methods. Sometimes you have a premium version or a more economic service. That will depend on how fast the unlock code is processed. For now, I'm gonna select this one. Then I'm gonna write down the IMEI number. That's the number we got a few seconds ago. That's the IMEI number. Make sure it is 100% correct. And then we're gonna go ahead and write down our personal email where we want to receive the unlock code. Make sure it is 100% correct because they will email you your unlock code to this email. So make sure it is correct. You can go ahead and write down your mobile if you wanna get your mobile number, if you wanna get notifications on your phone. But I'm gonna scroll down and you will see the price and the delivery time. This will always vary depending on your phone's brand, carrier, and model. In this case, this is the price, and this is the time that I have to wait to get my unlock code in my email. Alright, so I'm gonna hit unlock now. In the following page, you're gonna see a summary of your order. Double check everything here, make sure you read everything. Don't worry, everything is 100% safe, and there are only positive things that you can get out of unlocking your phone. So your warranty won't be voided or anything like that. So I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna place my order. I'll be back in a few seconds once I have completely placed my order. Alright, so if you did everything correctly, you're gonna get a screen just like this. It confirms that the order was placed and now it's currently processing. You will get an order ID, and also you will get a delivery time, an expected delivery time, and the unlock code will be sent to your email as soon as you have waited the estimated amount of time. Just for this example, I'm going to show you how the email will look like. So I'm just going to go to my personal email account and I'll show you how the unlock code will look. So as you can see here, I just got this email from Unlock Panda with my unlock code. And as you can see here, I just got the unlock code. It also includes instructions on how to enter the unlock code. And that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna insert this unlock code into the phone. I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's super simple. We're gonna go ahead and power off the device. Once your phone is fully off, we're gonna insert a SIM card from a different carrier. For example, if your phone is locked to AT&T, we're gonna go ahead and insert a SIM card from T-Mobile. So I'm just gonna go ahead here and I'm gonna insert a SIM card from T-Mobile or any other carrier as long as it's different from the original one. So give me a second right here. There we go. We're gonna put the SIM card inside the phone. It's always tricky. All right, so we're gonna power on the phone and we will wait until the phone is fully on. And then it will require an unlock code in order to use it with a different carrier. So we're just gonna wait a couple of seconds right here. All right, so as you can see here, I got this message that requires an unlock code. So SIM network unlock pin. So we're gonna go ahead and insert the unlock code we just got in the email. All right, so we're gonna write it down here. All right, so make sure it is 100% correct. Keep in mind that this unlock code will only work one time for this specific phone because it's calculated based on your IMEI number. Then we're gonna hit unlock. SIM network unlock successful. Perfect. That means that the code was accepted and now this phone is fully unlocked. So as you can see here, I have a full bar, and down here we should get the carrier from T-Mobile. Let me show you. So right here, you can see that it says T-Mobile. And it is as simple as that, guys. That's how you unlock a Samsung Galaxy S10. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will try to answer all the questions as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.